Good morning and welcome to Jakarta. Finally, we have a workshop in Share with almost only students. They are committed to, of course, their own career path, but also to building their country and building an ASEAN community.
Being able to experience student mobility gives you a chance to be adaptable to a variety of situations, and according to LinkedIn's 2019 Global Trend Report, adaptability is a top 5 soft skills that is wanted by recruiters. So by going through a mobility, it gives you the chance to be adaptable, to be open to places when even you are not comfortable in.
As alumni of the SHARE program, I think as young professionals, we are more aware of what each country does and contributes towards a greater ASEAN region. That's why I think as a young professional, we know how to cooperate and how to capitalize on each country's strengths in order to make a greater ASEAN economic zone.
We wish ASEAN a happy birthday. Happy 52nd ASEAN Day.